Hello and welcome to Knowledge Snippets with DRST. Another important topic of interest for everybody, that is time sense. Appreciation for time. In today's world, money and the things it can buy, only these seem to have value. In reality, however, money and the things it can buy are both created by man. But man has forgotten his own value. Another startling fact about life is that this being called man and his creation called money both are short lived. The short lived period in which they exist and vanish is called time. How important time is! But the meaning and value of time is not clear to all. We need to think deeply in order to understand the value of time. Only then will we realize that time is the only wealth we have. As soon as one wakes up in the morning after a good night's sleep, one becomes an heir to a priceless treasure of 24 hours. Only when one makes use of this treasure with great care can one accomplish what one wants to accomplish in life. Time is so invaluable and precious that just by its right use, even a commoner can become an all conquering monarch. Here are a few hints for those who wish to utilize their time profitably. Number one, remember that time is extremely valuable. Number two, recognize this harsh truth that time once gone will never come back. Next, resolve thus and stick to it. Whatever has to be done at a particular time, I shall definitely do it. Number four, if you make the habit of doing the right thing at right time, you will not have to be anxious. Thus, what shall I do now? What should I do after this? And hence you will have so much time left. Be clear about what you wish to do, however trifling the work be. If you do not work with interest and attention, no matter what you do, you will waste your time. Remember this simple fact. Suppose you have made a mistake. Instead of brooding over it and cursing yourself and everyone around you and you're feeling bad about it, if you try to set it right and if you just take up the next thing that you should do, you will save much time, which is so precious. A fact. He alone succeeds who can think right at the right moment. Here are some reflections on the importance of time. Time is more important than money, some say. But if you think over it carefully, you will find that both are equally important. Only if you use your time properly can you earn money. Only if you use your money judiciously you can save time. But you need the intelligence to utilize both of them properly. That's it. Daydreamers, people who build castles in the air, utterly waste their time. Only those who are wide awake trying to develop their capacities through constructive thoughts can use their time gainfully. Those who indulge in wrong habits, unproductive habits to kill their time are going to be the victims of their own stupidity. Those who encourage such meaningless activities will suffer in the long run. So that's all, folks. I hope you've enjoyed time sense, some information input with regard to being more productive and using the time rightly.